Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do an exam question from Unit 2 Physics. This is on the Double and the Triple Award, and it's to do with sort of energy efficiency and some of the calculations to do with motion. So the first thing they want us to do today is to calculate the mean mass of carbon dioxide from the car in a week. Now they've given us a load of data up here in the question, and the important thing to do here is to notice that the car is travelling 160 kilometres in a week, and that it produces 90 grams per kilometre. So we're going to do 160 times 90, and that will give me my answer, which is 14,400 grams. Then it says calculate how many litres of fuel we'll need. So 160 kilometres, and it says it will do 32 kilometres per litre. So I'm going to put that over 32, and that's going to give me 5 litres of fuel. The next up, it wants me to use the data and an equation from page 2. Now, the equation that we're after on page 2 is change in velocity divided by time is equal to acceleration. Now, if I have a look right back up here at the top of the question, it tells me it goes from 0 to 30 in 12 seconds. So I just pop in 30, because that's the change, over 12, and that's 2.5 meters per second. And then we'll flip over for the end of the question, and it says, use an equation from page 2 to calculate the size of the resultant force. So if we nip back to page 2, we'll find an equation that says force is equal to the mass times the acceleration. So that's 1,100. Times 2.5. This has come from the first part of the question again, and that's equal to 2,750. And finally, it says state one way we can make cars more efficient. We can do that by reducing the weight of the car. Okay, so that just shows you how to get through that particular question. Any questions, then let me know.